Okay, here we are back for part 3. If you take a look at the model we're building again, where we're headed, we've got a taller chamfer cylinder coming, the sphere on top of it, and then the cord coming out of it. Materials, lighting. Here we go. So the next thing we want to do, and be smart at this point, save as, and I'm going to go ahead to desktop. This is the joystick, and let me put my last name in there first, and you should too. And I'll go ahead and put 01 so that we can plus it once in a while, make different versions very easily. Onto the desktop, there it goes. Okay, I'll also do at this point I'll do a hold just in case anything goes wrong, and we're ready to do a fetch if something is really nasty. Alright, so here we go. Let's go up here, we'll just do this for the sake of learning the command again. We could copy it. Chamfer cylinder, draw a radius, pull it up, pull it in. You can see it's doing, you make a pill if we want to. Now what we want on this is we want a height of about maybe 55 or 56. Let's see what we're going to do. Yeah, height of about 56, 55. Let's go ahead and do a radius of about maybe 4, and the fillet value of 0.4. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alt W. Let's go ahead and change the change the color of that. Oh, I don't know. Pick something different. Say OK. And let's see. That is probably going to work for us. All right. Notice that it set this at 16, 16, 60, and right here it defaults to what you had it at, which is nice. So let's go ahead and put it on top of that. We go align it to there. Let's go ahead and take let's take the X, Y, and Z, center and center, and apply, and then we just want to go Z, min, max. Say OK. It might be a little thin for our look, maybe. Let's go ahead and change that. Let's up that value radius to about a 6, and then we'll go ahead and take and do a cylinder, a sphere here. So let me go to create, and let me go to standard primitives. I'm going to go to a sphere, make a sphere. I don't know why it's just constantly going to pink, whatever. Go to modify, and I'll pick some other color, maybe here. Well, pink again, kind of goofy. We'll go to brown, and now I'm just going to go align it to the cylinder. We're going to go X, Y, and Z, center, center, and that's a silly radius. Let's go ahead and set that radius at something relative, like maybe 13 or something. Let's say OK to that. Let's now apply Z. It's kind of goofy. Say OK, and go ahead and let's take and change the radius of that to something like 13 and hit enter. All right. Our settings have kind of set the ball up too tall, so we'll just reattach it. Here we go. Center, center, right, min, right, X, Y, and Z, and then apply, and then go ahead on the Z axis, go min, max, and say we're kind of good to go right there. Let's put this one actually at center pivot point maximum? No. Pivot point to minimum or maximum. There we go. So the center of the ball is the pivot point. So we'll go ahead and set current object at pivot point, and what will go to the maximum of the target object. So it's the center of the ball is actually to the center of the top of the chamfered cylinder. All right, and with that, I'll go ahead and hit stop.